a well-maintained 3-bedroom home within the high-demand Milliken community of Toronto. Welcome to 90 James Park Square. Featuring 2-car parking in the driveway, a single-car garage with opener, remote, and a separate side entry door, front perennial gardens, and an interlocking walkway, as well as an accessibility ramp. Through the covered front entrance is a stone-tiled foyer, and the tiles continue along a short hall with a double coat closet into the main level powder room. Off the foyer is a sunken living room finished with hardwood flooring, its large windows bringing in natural light, enhancing the bright yet neutral wall color. Hardwood flooring also finishes the entertaining spaces of the family and dining rooms. The dining area has a warm, intimate atmosphere as well as direct access into the kitchen. And the family room has the charming touch of chair rail and a floor-to-ceiling corner brick fireplace trimmed with wood. California shutters on the sliding door walkout offer light control and privacy for the family room, and this space, as well as the kitchen, enjoy a southwesterly exposure with backyard views. With an abundance of cabinetry storage and lots of counter workspace, the efficiently designed kitchen includes fridge and stove, has a ceramic tiled floor and backsplash, as well as a peninsula with stainless steel double sink. And with the open theme flow of this level, entertaining on a large or small scale can be hosted with ease. Updated laminate flooring flows throughout the upper level hallway and in all 3 bedrooms. And both the second and third bedrooms are quite spacious, filled with natural lighting, and have double closets. The 4-piece washroom has a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with countertop basin, and also serves as a semi-ensuite for the master bedroom. This bedroom is quite generously sized and has 2 good-sized windows for abundant natural lighting, a large walk-in closet with organizers, and space for a sitting area. Ideal for first-time buyers or as an investment property, this home also features a finished lower level with plenty of storage, a laundry area with washer and dryer, a mirrored door double closet, a 3-piece washroom with a stone-tiled floor and a jacuzzi tub, as well as a recreation room with a French door entry. Accessible from the family room walkout, the backyard is nicely sized and lined with trees and shrubs on one side. Surrounded by wood and chain link fencing and featuring a large deck with built-in seating, the yard has amazing potential for a dream outdoor retreat. This home is a short walk to Milliken Public School, Port Royal Park, TTC service, and a neighborhood shopping plaza, while the Milliken GO station, as well as access to highways 401 and the 407, are short drives away.